Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to send Cardano, ADA, from KuCoin to your Ledger Nano X. This is especially relevant for 2025, as crypto practices might evolve, but the core steps remain straightforward and secure. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect against hacks and exchanges going down. So, let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and the Cardano app installed on it. Open the Cardano app on your Ledger device and note down your receiving address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Double check it because accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Now, log into your KuCoin account on a secure device. Head over to the Assets section and find your Cardano, ADA, balance. Click on Withdraw next to ADA. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste in the address from your Ledger Nano X and select the network. Make sure it's the Cardano network to prevent any errors. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary but are usually minimal for Cardano. Review everything carefully: the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Ledger device. It might ask for confirmation on your end. Once approved, the transaction will be broadcast to the Cardano blockchain. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use official apps and websites, and never share your seed phrases. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your ADA to your Ledger Nano X. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.